This video will show you another example of interactive between mouse event handler, which including mouse over, mouse out, and mouse click to interact with graphics, and also how to create another scenes and how to go back and forth between scenes. Okay. In case that you haven't seen the previous project, which is Thai food example, you should start with that. Okay. Now let's start by open the Olive Game for Stew file. Okay, the first time it should look like this, the blank screen. Okay. Make sure you select the designer template, and for this project I already imported all materials for you, so you just drag the material to the stage. For now I'm going to use the home screen for the background, so just drag to the stage and align it. Select the fit in window. Now I'm going to name the layer as background, and next I'm going to observe the object. Okay, sometimes if you have the pre-made object material, you may want to check if it's a group of materials or if it's just only a picture, a photo for you. So in this case, right click on the photo and select break apart to see. As you can see, it consists of many of materials in this background photo, so I just select only bottles, hold down shift key and click. Okay. Now cut using Ctrl X or right click and select cut. Okay, I'm going to paste it in different layer so it will be easier to work with. Create new layer and name it bottom. Now go to edit menu and select paste in place, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift V. Now, as you can see, the object, the bottles, already named for you, so I don't need to rename it. Okay. Next, let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the cursor over different each of the bottles, and I want it to show the labels on below to the related bottles that the cursor is over. So start with the rosemary bottle, which is the left one first. Next I'm going to create another layer and name it labels. Now I'm going to drag the rosemary label from the library to the stage. Make sure that you selected the label layer. Okay, now I'm going to do the programming part, the interactive part. So select the button first. This will be the button, and what I want to do, I want to move my mouse over this bottle, and I want it to show the rosemary label below. Okay, first select the bottle and go to code snippet window, double click mouse over event, so it will insert the script for you. Notice the gray text the gray text, just the description, just the comment of that command of that script. So if you're familiar with it, you can delete it. Okay, now I got the mouse over command. Next, I will tell the program what to do when the mouse over. I want the text to show, so I select the text and I will looking for something, some command like show an object. I can use this one, or I can use something like fade in a movie clip, this one also. So I will show you the fade in a movie clip then. Okay. It will ask me to name my movie clip, so I'm going to name it Rose M. M stand for movie, so I will know. Then click OK. The command will auto insert for you. Just cut the whole command and paste in between the bracket of the mouse over event. And I will change the number. This is, as you may notice, that this involving the alpha, which is will be how transparent the object you want. So I want to reduce the time to make it faster. Okay. Then I will test the movie by select Control Enter. So when I move my mouse over the bottle, the text Rosemary fade in. Okay, I will change it back to 0.01 and test the movie so you can see the time difference. Okay, the Rosemary text just fade in. But as you may notice that at the beginning, I don't want the Rosemary text to be shown. So I need to insert another command. First select the Rosemary, then go to something like show or hide object. Well, I don't see hide object, but I see show an object, so this should be fine. Cut the command and paste at the very beginning of the action window. Then, as you may see that this is involving the visible equally true, right? So that means show an object. So I'm going to change it to be opposite. That's going to be false. So it will not show. And next, I'm going to tell the program that when mouse over, I want it to be shown. Okay, otherwise it will be invisible always. Okay, now let's test. So I need to insert the visible command equally true inside the mouse over event also. Okay. Now let's test the movie. Okay. One more time. So in the beginning, nothing shown, and when mouse over, the text shown. Okay. Next, when I move the mouse out, I want the text to fade out. So one more time, I'm going to select the bottle and select the mouse out event. Then click. Next, select the Rosemary text and select the fade out. Now copy the fade out command to to paste inside of the mouse out event. And I also need to copy the visible command to paste it inside the mouse out event also. Okay. Now let's test the movie. So the text disappear, and mouse over, and mouse out, fade out. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you how to create another scene and how to go back and forth between them. So go back to the project, close the action window for now. Next, go to Window and go to Other Panels. Select the scene. Okay, or you can use the shortcut Shift F2. Okay. So this will be the scene window. Create add scene. As you may notice on the timeline on the stage and the stage, it's just like the beginning of the project. There's nothing there. So I need to drag the background and align them. And name the background layer. Add new layer, and this one, name it result. Go to library window and scroll down to result category. Drag the correct screen to the stage. Also the result background. If you cannot see the background color just like mine, you can save the project. Okay. Save the project and close and reopen it. You will see it will show. Okay. So it should look like this. And next I'm going to add a button, the return button, which will return to the home scene. Okay. So drag the button to the place, the location. And you may notice that the button haven't been named yet, so you need to name the button also. Name it return B. Okay. Now while it's selected, I'm going to program this button to go back to the home scenes. So that will be involve the timeline navigation. And while selecting the button, double click to go to scene and play. We will insert the code for you. Okay. Now change the scene 3 to be home scene, as the first scene is home. Okay, now you can test the movie, but I will show you. Okay, there will be an error. See, in case you find this kind of error, that mostly will be involving the scene, the movie keep playing and looping which is you need to include the stop command. Okay, I will include the stop command. So just type stop on the frame that you want the movie to stop. Okay. So the movie will stop at that frame until you tell it to go to somewhere else. So this will be the scene 4, and I will need to insert to the home scene too. So insert at the top of the window. Now test the movie. Okay, as you can see, now it's just stop on the frame, that the first frame. Now it on the first frame of the home scene. Okay, mouse over and mouse out. Now click. No, I cannot click because I haven't inserted the command on the home scene yet. So I need to insert one more command, which is mouse click event. So select the bottle, go to event handlers, double click on mouse click event, or go to timeline. I can go to timeline navigation, double click on this command, click to go to scene and play. Okay. Now change scene 3 to scene 4, since I have only home scene and scene 4 scene. Now test the movie. Okay. When I click, it go to the scene 4, and when I click return, it go back to the home scene. Okay, mouse over, mouse out. However, I will show you, since the action window is on top, block out the output, so you cannot see the error. There is one error here. Okay. Basically, it tells you the mouse out handlers to error. Okay, so just go check on the mouse out handler 2. Go to window and action. Make sure you're on home scene. Okay. The mouse out, that will be this one. Since when I click on the bottle and it go to the scene 4 directly, so the mouse still there. The mouse cursor, my mouse cursor is not out of that bottle. That's why it's error, because on scene 4 there's no bottle. Okay, so I need to tell the program to remove that event first before to going to the scene. So I need to copy this command, the mouse out handler 2, and insert to this command, the mouse click command, and changing the add to be removed. Okay. Now when the mouse click on that button, the program will perceive that, okay, it will have to remove the mouse out event first, then it can go to the scene 4. Okay. Now test the movie, and I will close the action window, so you will see the output if there is an error. Okay. No error now. Okay. Okay. Now you can do it for the next 2 bottles. For the next video, I will show you the rest of 2 bottles, just in case you find some problem and you want to come back and check what step that it might be incorrect for you.